President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, Meghachandra, claimed Prime Minister Narendra Modi's statement in certain national media that timely intervention by centre improved Manipur's situation was a bluff to gain political mileage given the ensuing Lok Sabha elections. Meghachandra was speaking during the reception program of office bearers and executive members of Janata Dal United, Tamenglong District comprising Mandal Committee, Mahila Committee, Yuva Morcha, IT Cell and segment presidents of HELD who joined the party. The reception ceremony was held at Rishankai Singh Hall at Congress Bhavan on BT Road. He urged the Chief Minister, who is also holding the home portfolio, to find out the facts surrounding the viral video of two women paraded naked rather than hurling false allegations about the incident that rocked the parliament. The MPCC president said it was unfortunate that the BJP held the Congress responsible for the incident to mislead the people because of the ensuing elections.
Sri Modi na Manipur ki irang se mana yamna hai singna section na yengjin badagi shanti hanjali bani hai bise hujisu shanti leitrina haujik jingi mina tampak ta lakpa yate adagi tamgi mina sing da chatpa yate ekhoi yamna pikraba tengkot kumba jaga amda ekhoi loi leiri aduna makari gi asuk thina soba sida parliament election Manipur da laga vote khumulauna who stop him. He is not concerned of Manipur. Aduna ba serious oidabani ngasi BJP and its allies NPF thengdari base mayam na khangi community am khaki wakto ge haibani punamakto madu Manipur da chatnaba yaroi haibase khangbasina ngasi Janata Dal United Tamenglong District Committee and it's all the wings and the branches masi punamak changakpase masina achawa party gi mapang kani amasu aikoi gi India bloc Manipur da mai pakong magani haibagi asetpa thajaba thamjari.